Hello everyone, welcome to online classes from the St. Joseph's Academy in Ghaziabad. Today we will start with the class Mathematics, grade 5, and the topic is fraction. In fraction, there are many operations are there, but we will study today multiplication of the fractions. So let us start with the chapter 8, fraction. In fraction, then we will multiply two fractions, simple two fractions, maybe the proper or improper. So which rule we have to follow? That is, first of all, multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators, and then simplify. Simplify means we will convert it into lowest term. If they are divisible by any common number, we will make it lowest term. This is the multiplication of the numerator and the multiplication of the denominator and simplification. These are the three steps we have to follow. Let's take example. Multiply a fraction by a whole number. The whole number is 2 and the fraction part is 2 by 3. And then we will multiply the whole number with the fraction part of the numerator, that is 2 into 2 equals 4, and the denominator is 3. So we will convert 4 by 3 into mixed fraction by dividing 4 by 3. It will become 1 by 3. 1 is the integral part and 1 by 3 is the fractional part. And another example, on the right side, multiply a fraction by a fraction. Now we will multiply by two fractions only. First fraction is 1 by 2 and the second one is 1 by 3. So multiply the numerator, 1 ones are 1, multiply the denominator, 2 threes are 6. So the final answer is 1 by 6 when we multiply 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Now multiplying fractions. To multiply fractions, we multiply both the numerators and the denominators separately. Here, two fractions are there. First is 2 by 4, second is 3 by 2. 2 threes are 6, 4 twos are 8. Look here, the 6 and 8, numerator and the denominator, both are divisible by 2. So we will divide 6 by 2 and 8 by 2 and reduce it, and now it will become 3 by 4. In this way, we can reduce the fractions. Let's start with the exercise 8B of your book, the question number 1, part B. The question is 12 upon 25 into 5 by 6. Let's multiply the numerator. 12 into 5 equals 60. 25 into 6 equals 150. Now, we know 60 and 150 both are divisible by 30. So we will divide it by 30 to reduce it in the smallest form. So 60 divided by 30 equals 2. 150 divided by 30 equals 5. So our final answer is 2 by 5. When we multiply these two, 12 upon 25 and 5 by 6, we will get the final reduced formed answer, that is 2 by 5. Let's take another example. Another example is question number 2, part B. Here is the first part is the mixed fraction 3 by 7 by 21. 3 by 7, we will convert it into improper fraction. How we will convert? We will multiply 7 into 3 plus 3 upon 7. 7 3s are 21 plus 3, 24 upon 7. 24 upon 7, and the second fraction is 21. There is no denominator, it is the whole number. So we can take the denominator 1. So here I have shown that we can reduce by when we see that the 21 and 7 both are divisible by 7. So we can reduce it here only by cancelling each other. 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 21. So 24 into 3 is left. 24 threes are is 72. So when we multiply this, we can cancel and we will find the final answer, that is 72. So I take this example separately because we can do this solution in both way. Either we can multiply and then divide by any table which is divisible, and the another way we can do cancel also if both the numbers are coming on the same table. Now let's take question number 3C. 10 upon 121 into 11 upon 50. 10 into 11 upon 121 into 50. Multiplication, the product of the numerator is 110 and the product of denominator is 1850. Now, on the numerator and the denominator, the number, the digit at the unit place is 0 and 5. Both are divisible by 5. In this way, we can reduce it by 5, divide both the numerator and the denominator by 5. We will get 22 upon 363. Now, 22 and 363 both are divisible on the table of 11. So divide it and finally we will get 2 upon 33 because 11 twos are 22 and 11 33s is 363. So the product of this answer is 232 upon 33. In this way, we can reduce and we can cancel also, and we can reduce the sum if we know that both the numbers are divisible on a common number. Now, let us start the multiplication of the mixed fraction. What is the rule to multiply the mixed fraction? First of all, change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then multiply numerators. Then multiply denominators. Then simplify. Write the product in the lowest term. If it is improper fraction, change to mixed fraction. This is the way to simplify. So these are the 4 steps to do the multiplication in case of the mixed fraction. Let us take examples of the sums of the mixed fraction. Question number 5C. 2 3 by 10 into 15 upon 23. So 2 3 by 10 is the mixed fraction. We will convert it into improper fraction. 10 into 2 plus 3 upon 10 equal 23 upon 10. Now this mixed fraction become 23 upon 10 and the second fraction is 15 upon 23. Multiply the numerator. 23 into 15 upon 10 into 23 is equal to 345 upon 230. Both are divisible on the table of 5. So divide it by 5, we will get 69 upon 46. 69 upon 46. We can convert it into mixed fraction. Now reduce it by dividing 69 by 46. When we will divide, we will get the mixed fraction 123 upon 46. Students, 21 is the integral part. 23 upon 46, the fraction part, is divisible by 23. So divide it by 23, we will get 1 by 2. So write the fraction 1 by 2. 1 is the integral part and the remaining fraction part which we have reduced. 23 upon 46, when reduced, it will become 1 by 2. In this way, we can reduce the final answer also. Now, come to the next example, question number 6C. The sum is 9 upon 50 into 8 1 by 3. 8 1 by 3 is mixed fraction. Convert it into improper fraction. 8 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 equal 25 upon 3. Now, multiply the numerators. 9 into 25 upon 50 into 3 equal 225 upon 150. Both are divisible on 25. So divide it, we will get 9 upon 6. Reduce 9 upon 6. Both the numerator and the denominator are divisible by 3. So 9 upon 6 divided by 3 is equal to 3 upon 2. Now convert 3 upon 2 into mixed fraction. Divide 3 by 2 and we will get 1 by 2. In this way, we can convert the answer into mixed fraction. If the final answer is in the proper fraction form, we will divide the numerator by the denominator to get mixed fraction. So let's take the next example. That is the question number 8C. The sum is 7 3 by 5 into 2 7 by 90. So first of all, convert both the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 into 7 plus 3 upon 5 equal 38 upon 5. And the second fraction 19 into 2 plus 7 upon 19 equal 45 upon 19. So now multiply the numerator and the denominator. 38 into 45 upon 5 into 19 equal 1710 upon 95. Now, if 1710 is divisible by 95, we will divide it. Otherwise, we will convert it into mixed fraction. It is divisible. So when we divided it by 95, we will get the final answer 80. So when we multiply these two mixed fractions, we got the final answer 80. In this way, we can multiply either one number is the mixed fraction or both the fraction are the mixed fraction. Now the next example is question number 8F. 10 1 by 2 into 2 3 by 7. Convert mixed fraction to improper fraction first of all. 10 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 equal 21 upon 2. Second fraction 7 into 2 plus 3 upon 7 equals 17 upon 7. Now multiply both the numerator and both the denominators. 21 into 17 equal 357. 2 into 7 equal 14. Now our fraction is 357 upon 14. 357 is not divisible by 14. So convert it into mixed fraction. Divide 357 by 14 and we will convert it into mixed fraction, and our mixed fraction is after division 25 7 upon 14. Now integral part is 25 and the fraction part is 7 upon 14. 7 upon 14 is divisible by 7. So we can reduce the fraction part by dividing it with 7. So when we will divide 7 upon 14 by 7, we will get 1 by 2. So now our final answer is 25 1 by 2. So when we multiply 10 1 by 2 into 2 3 by 7, we will get 25 1 by 2 is the product of these two. So I think with these all examples, you understand how to multiply the fraction, simple fraction or the mixed fraction. Now is the time of assignment. In assignment homework, you have to do exercise 8B. Solve part A of sums 1 to 8. Sums from 1 to 8, you have to do part A only. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thanks all.